car seat. Yeah, today we're in Daddy's car. Daddy's car.
This is a weird car.
Daddy's car. Daddy's car. Daddy's car.
Do you notice anything different about it?
Well, today we are twins.
We have the same shoes.
Okay, so we'll give you our O.
S.
No, O. You say O and I'll say O.
O.
T.
D.
Outfit
Of
the
day.
Woo! Today we have these really cute braids.
Yeah. I've purple gems and
I don't have any earrings in
hearts
today. I
right
forgot to put earrings in, and I was very busy.
Wait, but you didn't even tell them. We just saw Orlando.
Oh yeah, we saw Orlando when we were getting in the car, and Mom couldn't figure out how to start Dad's car.
Couldn't start the car.
But
But we said hi to Orlando, so
we
that was
figured,
fun.
yeah, that's worth it.
That was worth it.
We made it worth it.
Yeah, because we got to see Orlando.
And then we have these our matching glasses. Mine are fake. You guys
Mine
can
are
look
real.
through them.
Mine, you can't.
They're fake.
Mine are not. What? Shut up.
Fake glasses. That's what they are. So me and Vic can be twins because because our insides are pink. Hi, Grandma Connie. See, our insides are pink. Show them yours.
No, I can't.
Well, her insides are pink. See, pink insides, black outsides.
Yeah.
So me and Viv are twins.
Mine are shiny.
Yeah, mine are matte.
Huh?
It's a color, and we both have our spring coat. What?
Mine is right here.
We both have our spring coats. I'm wearing mine. Orlando the tap dancer, or do you know a different Orlando?
A different Orlando.
Orlando from CVS.
CVS Orlando. Yeah, Mom is driving Dad's car, Grandma Connie. See? It's Dad's car. Dad's
We
car.
stole it.
We're in
We
the
stole
2 row. We're in row number 2. See, 1.
Because 1, 2, and 3. Because I'm not allowed to. Well, we're not allowed to be in the back seat, back
school
row
drop-off.
for school's drop off,
But for Georgia, we are.
and for everything else we are.
Yeah.
Who was asking about Orlando the Tapper? That was interesting.
Shayla. Yeah.
Shelia.
I was going to say, not many people know about that.
Who's Orlando the Tapper?
He came in and taught us tap. Oh my gosh, that was a while ago now, but he was very, very good. I still use some of the things that I learned from him.
Thank you, Grandma. I was doing it on YouTube, so if you
Dan and Orlando are like the guys from CVS.
yeah, Dan and Orlando are like the people.
That's like Kaylee and Vivian's best friends.
No, my best friend is Mia Rubino.
Yeah.
My best friend is Vivisana.
Oh, love those kiddos.
So, and then
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
oh, that's who he is.
Who?
He choreographed a piece for the dance recital? Fall show? Mom? Well, that's what Shayla said. She said Orlando choreographed a piece for our fall show.
Oh, her school one.
Oh. Okay, then me and Vivian both have these Justice belly shirts.
Although we don't know if our Orlando can tap dance. We should ask him.
Yeah.
I mean, we've never asked him if he can dance.
Yeah, we have Justice belly sweatshirts, but we have tank tops on.
Yeah, I have a purple one.
I have a purpley blue.
Then we both have black pants.
And these
Then
cute
matching
sky
shoes. And they have stars. And then they've got this little glitter on the back.
They're really heavy.
Not that heavy.
For me, they're little.
Maisie, what are you wearing today? Can you show him your bow?
She has one big cute bow.
Why are you sad?
What's wrong? Do you want Ellie? Ellie.
No.
Ellie alert.
We're trying to get her to not use Ellie so much.
Oh. I don't
Those are
slide.
terrible.
Slide. Look. Look at this thing on my secret.
It's a level.
Yeah, it's supposed to be right in the middle.
Well, since we're going
It's
down
on
a
your
hill.
car seat, so-
Since we're going down a hill, we're moving. It's moving a lot.
Yeah.
Wait, so did this record or did it Wi-Fi to the car?
Live.
It's live.
Because normally we don't have service that whole way.
It's live.
It's
It
live.
was live the whole
It was
time.
live.
Jinx is not gonna flip flop too bad. Fuck away, magic. You got me a Coke.
Jinx again.
I think I brought a Coke.
Jinx.
Knock on wood. Slip,
No.
slip, blah, blah,
No.
blah.
Remember? Jinx.
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 Jinx
Jinx
again.
again.
Our mental synchronization and have a fun explanation. I want deoxyribonucleic acid earrings.
Hey?
If you know what deoxyribonucleic acid earrings are, well, deoxyribonucleic acid is, I know what it is. If you know, say it down below. What is it? No!
I know what it is. Oh, what?
Kaylee and one of her buddies have been having science time.
My friend.
I said that. Your friend. Buddy is friend. Right?
Yeah.
They're just friends. But they've been having science time conversation.
Yeah.
Build a snowman?
Grandma Connie says maybe you could take Daddy's car every day. And Shayla says, KJ, maybe you should be a bio major too.
See? Just like Shayla.
I want DNA earrings. DNA earrings. They're really cute because they're like red. They have like the spiral, and then they're like red and blue and white and like yellow. And then there's like plant and animal cell
They're
earrings.
building a new house there.
Like one plant one here and one animal cell here.
Can you not go 20 miles an hour? Because we're trying to get to school. Thank you.
They have to pull over, Mom. And then there's also ones.
They got
I told Grandma what deoxyribonucleic acid is yesterday.
Did you?
Yeah. And then there's another one like with a red blood cell and a white blood cell, and I want all those earrings.
Is there a coronavirus earring?
No, ew! Does KJ rhyme with DNA?
DNA. I mean, yeah,
Ish, yeah.
it does.
Hi, Miss Carly. I'm still talking about the deoxyribonucleic acid earrings.
Can't even. Carly must be ready to kill you.
I like them a lot. I hate them. And then I didn't actually flick you, and then you flicked me.
All right, tiny friend.
No flicking.
I feel buckle right now because it's hard to unbuckle. I have to like take my whole seatbelt out of this hook thing on my jigger.
Well, it's deoxyribonucleic
Oh my gosh. All right, give me the
acid. Grammy couldn't pronounce it.
Grammy couldn't?
Grandma Connie.
Grandma Connie?
So I told her it's deoxyribonucleic acid. You can't stop me from saying
my
it.
jacket. Okay, I figured it out.
You got your jacket on?
Taking those glasses off because they're giving me a headache.
You want to listen to What Does the Fox Say?
What does the fox say? Ding, 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 ding.
Stop.
What does the sock say? I'm sorry.
What's happening at school?
I'm sorry.
What's happening in school today? What do we have in school today?
I have nothing.
Music.
Music.
I have nothing.
Music.
Who's your music teacher?
Mr. Vilante.
Oh, I've golden.
What does the sock say? I'm a sock. 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 What does the sock say? I'm a sock. Yeah. I'm a sock. Yeah. I'm a sock. Yeah. I'm a sock. Yeah.
You girls are crazy. Oh, I see Mr. Geo.
You first.
Good morning, Mr. Geo. Miss Donna has her awesome car.
Where?
You can tell that springtime because Miss Donna's awesome car comes back out.
Ron's car.
For Ron.
I see
What's the matter, baby?
car.
Oh, Miss Haley says good morning, team.
What does the sock say?
Good morning. Miss Haley,
What
I'm
does
running
the
a little
sock
late today because I couldn't figure out how to start this car.
Have to start dance class. That is all my mother's fault.
I could not.
She didn't know how to start it. Show him the button to start the car.
They have full matching outfits, Miss Haley.
Yeah.
She said she likes your matching hair.
Oh, thank you.
Kimmy has the glasses, but they're fake, so she
And-
put them in a way.
Right.
And they were giving me a headache.
Oh, Grandma Connie's going to work.
Bye, Grandma.
Honey, I can't do What Does the Fox Say right now.
No, not fox. Sock.
What?
What does the sock say?
I'm a sock. I'm a sock. I'm a sock.
There's like a whole party outside.
It goes, what does the sock say? I'm a sock. Yeah.
Wait, how do I unlock the doors? Son of a gun. You guys, this car.
Love you.
Can you unlock it?
No, I think I got it. All right, bye, girls.
Yesterday.
All right, go.
Bye.
Bye. Have a good day, ladies. Be kind. Riders, love you. All right, off we go. I am a little behind, though. Couldn't figure out how to start the damn car. So, good luck with that, Miss Haley. We'll see you when we get there. All right, see you tomorrow.